Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am iHDeveloper. I am full stack developer and software engineer. Today we are going to make application called My Messenger. This application will be simple, just to know how to build a cross-platform application. In this tutorial I'm gonna use C#, and there is some topics that I'm gonna teach you guys about them. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, we have here some theories. If you didn't know what does cross-platform means, cross-platform means that this app gonna be in any device. For example, iPhone, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, any device, even browser, anything. But and there is something else called server. The server that I'm gonna use called WebSocket server. The WebSocket server is something that connects with HTTP server, which HTTP server can be connected from any language, which C#, Objective-C, Java, JavaScript, anything, and the client will be, and the HTTP server connects between the client and the WebSocket. Okay, as you can see here, you will see some details. What I'm gonna do is make a user. This here gonna be models, okay? This here gonna be a user. The user gonna have data like ID, name, stuff like that. And the user will have a member. The member will have like nickname in a group or any whatever. And this nickname doesn't match with name. But the default of the nickname will be the same name of the user. So the member is something extend to the user. Okay, we have the group. The group will have a list of two things, the member and the message, and it has a title. Okay, so the message will have, we have two types messages here. We have the member message and the server message. The server message is like, for example, someone joined, someone left, stuff like that. And about the member message in the chat. All of those data are only managed and controlled by the server, which gonna be WebSocket. So we are going in the future of this tutorial, the Windows application will be, we're gonna make a Windows application, connect to this WebSocket and display the user interface into the client, which it has the all commands to control, put data like chat, create a group, delete group, stuff like that, and also in the same way in the Android and web application. So let's start. Go into file and then new project. We are going to create a new project, but I'm not gonna choose any kind of these things. I'm gonna scroll down till other project types. I'm gonna choose Visual Studio Solution. In this case, I'm gonna call it My Messenger. Sorry. Okay, you see now I created the My Messenger project as a solution. The solution will have multiple projects. So the first project I'm gonna create, it's going to be a class library. So right click into the solution and then add the new project. Select Visual C# and then go into the class library. You should find it here. Yeah, .NET framework. I'm gonna choose 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. So I'm gonna call it API. The main API, it includes the public things that we can handle using C# without control or stuff like that. Okay, I creates me a file here called class1 and the class here. First of all, I'm gonna change the file name and I'm gonna call it models, like this. We're gonna put all the models here, all the models of this project. And also here I'm gonna type My Messenger. That is the workspace of this. I mean, if you type My Messenger.api, this here will display the name of the when you want to using. You need the namespace of what kind of data do you want, because there are many namespaces and the references and stuff. Okay, the first model that I'm gonna create a user, and this user will have public int ID, and it will have a string username or name, however, and now I'm gonna put a password, and this password will be encrypted by hash string and stuff like that. And yeah, this here the main details of the user. Let's go and create a new class, and I'm gonna call it member. The member will have the user itself, and also will have string nickname, as you can see. Okay, let's go inside the other thing, public class group. In this case, I'm gonna type public int ID. Why am I using ID? Because they are going to be the primary key of what I need to call. For example, I'm not gonna call the user by the name, I'm gonna call the user by the ID, which that means I can put any name but ID, but I can't put any ID as the same. Okay, and the same way goes to ID in the group. So I'm gonna create a public string title of the group, and I'm gonna make a dictionary. Oh no, I'm not gonna make a dictionary, I'm gonna make a list, and then user or member. Yeah, I forget. I'm gonna put a dictionary. It will have the int and the member, the ID of the user of the member, and the member class itself. So I'm gonna type this members, and I'm gonna type public dictionary, and should put here message. So I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna make the message class and type public int ID and public string content. Okay. In the other way, I'm gonna type the member message. Okay. The member message will be as the same as the message. So all of these data, I'm not gonna import them. I'm gonna import one here, int enter enter ID, this only, and here class server message. Yeah, I forget to about the string of type. Wait, string expected. Okay. Here I'm gonna make another thing. No, public constructor, and then I'm gonna type equal member. Okay. Here I'm gonna type constructor, and then the type will be server. So we have different classes here, and also let's uncomment this thing and go and type message here, messages. I think we are simply done. Let me check. Member message group stuff. Yeah, I think I'm done with models. Now I'm gonna stop making API and leave it alone. Now I'm gonna create a new project, and this project will be called console application. Okay, 4.5 .NET framework, and I'm gonna make it server, the main server which all data goes on 108. We have the program and stuff like that. We're gonna change the namespace to my messenger.server. So let's begin. I'm gonna go into this and make a new title and type GitHub WebSocket C#. You will see here is the WebSocket C#. We need a library. We don't need to make the whole WebSocket by ourselves. So I'm gonna use the NuGet to import me this library. I'm gonna copy this code I'm gonna copy here. I'm going to tools, the NuGet manager, NuGet console. It's taking some time. Okay, let's begin. I'm gonna put the same code here. I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, it takes time. Let's wait. Clear and close. We have it here. So we are ready. The reference has been included. I'm gonna include the API also. Add reference. Right click and add reference, and then click. Make sure you have enabled the API and click OK. It will be imported here. Okay. Let's go. My messenger.api using web. Wait, doesn't include it. Maybe I made it wrong here. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna remove it here. I remove it from here. Then we're gonna make sure again. Yeah, make sure the default project is the server to work on it. And paste again, install it, clear, and there we go. We have WebSocket. So I'm gonna make import the arg unit. If args did link it, oh never mind. The port will be import equal 3030. So this will be the port, and in other way going to be const, and also the name of it will be port. Okay, this will clear. Okay, I'm gonna start work here exactly. I'm gonna make here a new class, the same file, and it's called the server. And this server will have the library, but we need to include the WebSocket C# that server library. So yeah, after I included WebSocket server, as you can see, what I need now is include the methods of the server itself. Protected override. Hold on. I think not this. WebSocket behavior. Oh, sorry. WebSocket behavior. I'm gonna describe why I'm using WebSocket behavior in this part. So I'm gonna protect it. Override. Okay, there are so many things here. On open, if the connection has been opened into this behavior, what will happen? Okay. Also, we have one message. If you got any message from the client itself, and we have another one here called onClose. In this case, okay, you have the error. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I have to save it there. Okay, now what I need to do here, when the connection has been opened, okay, and here when the connection got closed, I'm gonna test. So int code equal e.code and the string of the reason, so you know what I mean. The reason e.reason, and yeah, fully removed. If the close was from sorry, yeah, was clean to mean the close was from error or not. So yeah. Now I'm gonna type cancel the right line. In this case, I'm gonna type server. Sorry. The code will be code as we do. We have here another server called the reason. Can include all information to check if our server works or not. If not, you have to check if everything was clear or not. It's clean. Hold on. White line, server. Okay. Close. That means, for me, it means closement. White line, server, like this. I think this actually looks pretty. So, sorry. Here I'm gonna take the message equal e.data data. They are raw data and stuff like that. We will know about them later. And yeah, console dot write line, and we will have here something called server and message. Okay. Here we don't know about the function. So server open. No, I'm gonna make it a connection has been opened. Okay, if we had any error, server error message. Sorry. Now in this case, I'm going here and I'm going using WebSocket server, which is called server called new socket server. The port will be the port. Okay. Yeah, I found this. Okay. The server will have. I'm going to make add WebSocket service, and I'm gonna type the server thing and the path of it. What's the mean of the path? For example, this here I have here the local host and the port. This here means the WebSocket. If there is another S, that means the WebSocket is secret, but we are running localhost, so this doesn't matter. And we have the port 33, and also we are gonna type slash, and for example default. Okay, so here going to be default as the same as this. If I change this game, for example, is going to be game and stuff like that. So I'm gonna clean this and server start. Okay, I think this works. So cancel let's read line no server stop. I think this actually will work, maybe. So I'm done with this. I'm going to solution and click into the server project, and I'm going to set as a startup. So when I click start, it will start this project, and I'm gonna check for the properties. Sorry. Server. Okay, here my messenger server. The default namespace. When you create any class, it will apply this. The startup object, my messenger.server.program. Save it and close, and let's start. Okay, it will the project here behind. We have to wait. So in this case, okay, I think it started completely. Okay, here I'm gonna type WebSocket online test execute line execute. So here I'm gonna go here echo test. This one looks pretty good. There's so many things. So I'm gonna type here WS, which is means WebSocket, localhost, the localhost of our server, and port 33 and the behavior will be default. And then let's try to connect. So wait. Copy. Default. Oh. Wait, hold on, guys. As you can see, there is error here. Hold on. But not absolutely path. Wait, what does this mean? One web service perspective is not found. Path is / default. Hold on. I think I missed. Oh, something. Wait, let me try this. I think this works. Maybe. Go back. Connected. Successful. So if we go back, we have a connection has been opened. So let's try to test and see how does it works. Now let me say hello and send this message. Is everything okay? I hope so. So okay, bye. The final thing will be bye. And then I'm gonna disconnect from it. Now we are going to see what will happen. So as you can see, we find here a connection has been opened. Message hello. Is everything okay? I hope so. Bye. And close event 1005 was clean true. This looks pretty good. That's all enough today. We are set up the server and we made the API with models with all the data. In the next video, I'm gonna make the managers, which create a user, create a group and stuff like that, and link it in the server. Hope you guys enjoy. Give me a like if you like this video, and subscribe to me if you want to see the new videos. Bye.